Quiz time. Can you pass this Spanish test? What does hola mean? The answer is hello. What is the word for book? The answer is
libro.
how do you ask for water? The answer is
Agua, por favor.
how do you ask, how are you? The answer is
¿Cómo estás?
what does adios mean? The answer is goodbye. How do you ask for water? The answer is
Agua, por favor.
what is blue in Spanish? The answer is azul. What is Monday in Spanish? The answer is
Lunes.
how do you say thank you very much? The answer is
Muchas gracias.
how do you say what is your name? The answer is
¿Cómo te llamas?
which pronoun means we? The answer is
Nosotros.
what does buenos dias mean? The answer is good morning. What does por qué mean? The answer is why, which means milk. The answer is
Leche.
what is bread in Spanish? The answer is
Pan.
which means apple. The answer is
Manzana.
how do you say I like? The answer is
Me gusta.
how do you say I am hungry? The answer is
Tengo hambre.
what does cerrado mean? The answer is closed. What is school in Spanish? The answer is
Escuela.
how do you say park? The answer is
Parque.
how do you say church? The answer is
Iglesia.
how do you say see you later? The answer is
Hasta luego. What does familia mean?
the answer is family.
What does bicicleta mean?
The answer is bicycle. How do you say miracle? The answer is
Milagro.
how do you say market? The answer is
Mercado.
how do you say today is Monday? The answer is
Hoy es lunes.
how do you say tomorrow is Saturday? The answer is
Mañana es sábado.
what was your score? Subscribe for more fun tests and trivia.